G'day, welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Chin-Ups, proudly sponsored by Minisport. On this episode, we are talking about the SU Needle Profile Chart book available at Minisport. So what is this? Well, it's an SU Needle Profile Chart book, exactly that. Why is this important? Well, if you're looking into tuning your vehicle or you want to maximize the fuel efficiency out of it and even the power, this book will give you exactly all of those options that you have available for both fixed and floating jets. So it'll go through, it'll tell you exactly where everything is, where all the different stages are all the way down through there. It will tell you how lean the needle is at different areas and which needle you are going to need depending on your needs. Now, this is something that can get a little bit complicated, so you're best off speaking to someone who knows all about this before you go and buy it, and rather than just grabbing a needle, for instance, a Kilo Tango, and throwing that in hoping it's going to work. It's probably not. You need to know a little bit of science behind this. As I said, it can become quite confusing and quite daunting, especially if you haven't done it before. This is a really good book because it enables you to look at exactly what the needle profile is doing. So if you know, for instance, that at cruising speeds, the vehicle is running too lean, it's hesitating, or even through the rev range, it has a flat spot, for instance, you may look at it and say, well, at the position number 6, it is 111th thou. I need something that's a little bit smaller to give it a little bit more richer mixture. So this will help give you exactly that and help fine tune your carburetor. So these are the sort of things that will make your vehicle run at its optimum performance, so long as you know what you're doing. This is a really good book to have because it'll go through and explain what it is, what it does, and most importantly, how to read a needle profile. So don't just go and buy one of these, chuck a needle in the car and hope for the best. It doesn't work like that. You will need to do a bit of research into this and determine exactly what it is. There are hundreds of needles out there and Minisport do sell a bunch. If you're unsure, reach out to them at www.minisport.com.au. Check them out at the website listed above and below me, and we'll catch up on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. Before we go, just quickly, David Vizard made a book called Tuning the A-Series Engine, which Minisport do sell. In that book, they do have a variety of different needles in which they recommend to use depending on the setup of your vehicle. If it's a standard 998 or if it's a work 1275, they will give you different variations. Depending on what you've got and what setup, this is a really good starting point to be able to tune your vehicle. Catch you on the next one.